Ready? Alright, let them know what your name is.
Rosie.
Okay, what are you doing?
My box.
You're gonna open your box? What's inside the box?
Shoes.
Shoes? Okay, sounds good. You gonna unbox it with Daddy? Okay, what is going on? Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. See ya. What's good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at Rafi Collects. Hope everyone is having a blessed day today. As you guys can see, I have a special guest here. What's up, Rose? Hope everyone is having a blessed day once again. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well, because we are on the road to say 20,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all the love and support. We haven't done a video since a while, right, Rose?
Yeah.
But we have a special unboxing. Remember what we bought? What did you buy? Shoes, right? As you guys can see from the title, we did hit on the social status Nike Dunk Mids in the strawberry milk colorway. Unfortunately, I didn't hit on my size, but Baby Rose got a W. Woo! Say W's. But like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sit back, relax. Let's go ahead and get into this sneaker. Once again, your boy took an L, but I was really hoping I got a W for Baby Rose. Look how excited she is. You excited? Okay, Daddy will open it, and then you can take out the shoe. Ready? Okay, go. Open it. Open it. Whoa! What you got? Take it out. Take it out. It's a cool box, huh? Drop the shoe. Need help? Okay, got it. Too heavy. Okay, let me put this away. Hold on, let's show them the box. Show them the box real quick. Don't open it yet. Show them the box. As you guys can see, show them the box. As you guys can see, this is a toddler size, and I'm sure all the boxes came like this. This is a size 8C, which is Baby Rose's size. She's pretty close at an 8C, so are you excited about this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, go ahead and unbox it. Go. You gotta show the camera. All right, you gotta show them. You need help? Okay, let's open it. Okay. Open it up. Whoa, super cool. Those are super cool. All right, as you guys can see, okay, you hold that shoe and Daddy will hold this one. As you guys can see, the Nike Dunk Mids. It kind of looks like a low top. More of a low top instead of a mid top, but as you guys can see, the strawberry milks, man, this is a really cute shoe. The material on it is really nice. Actually, you showing them the shoe? Gotta face it like this, baby. Show it like that. Sheesh. Smell good?
Yeah.
You gotta do the smell test. It smells good? Oh yeah, that smells good, right? As you guys can see, these strawberry milks, and this is the toddler size. So like I said, I did not hit on my size, but I'm really happy that I hit for Baby Rose. It's a really cool shoe. Where are you going? You gonna show mommy?
Yeah.
Tell them what color is on the shoe, Rose. Tell them what color is this?
Pink.
You got pink, okay, and then what color is this?
Orange.
Orange, right? So it comes with extra laces. It kind of gives you that, like, I would like a salmon orange colorway, as you guys can see, with the extra lace in. Really nice. I really like how detailed this sneaker is. The material on the shoe is super good for a toddler size and a toddler size whatnot. It is actually a pretty good sneaker overall. I didn't really need this for the collection, but I was glad that I hit for Baby Rose because I know she needs more shoes because her feet are getting so big. That's everyone that actually caught a dub. Baby Rose is trying to put it on her feet. You cannot fit it yet. It's too big. Too big, right?
Yeah, and then a baby.
Right. As you guys can see, the box right here.
Yeah.
You like the box? The box is pretty cool. It kind of gives you that. School vibes. You know what I'm saying? As you guys can see, super cool box just for a toddler size. As you guys can see, special box. Shouts to social status getting this W. I'm not sure if these are going to be releasing on sneakers, but we'll see what happens. But say thanks for watching. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Say peace.
Peace.